Okay, so what happens if I want to keep my students, but I want to like start from scratch on like a brand new rubric or assignment? Here's what you can do about that. So we'll come on in here, and so here's my assignment. You can see I've got a class list, and I've got all my students together. So I'm going to come back to the Reset tab, and this time I'm going to reset the categories. And if I reset the categories, this time when I go down to the Categories tab, you're going to see that now that's all clean, and I can be able to set that on up for the next class. Again, my students are still there, so if I go to my Grading tab, you're going to see that they're there, but these are all blank now, and I'm ready to be able to start a brand new project. Now I'm going to go to my students, and this one I'm going to have to actually manually delete. So I'm going to do a shift and hold, and it's right here. I'm going to hit delete, and now I'm ready to be able to import my 5th period class. So then I would just go to wherever I have saved my next class roster, and I would do copy, and then I would do Control S V, the paste special in it, and then be able to add that. So I'll show you how that looks. So I would then come in here. Here are my students' names. I'm going to copy this over from another area. I'm going to get back to my 5th period class, click up here, and I'm going to do again that paste values only. That's really important, values only. And then I'm going to click that, and now I have my new roster. And the rubric is already right there. So hooray! The first thing I'm going to do is going to go File, and I'm going to go Make a Copy, and then of course it's going to say what do you want a copy of. I'm going to get rid of Copy, and for me I always did it by class period, so this is going to be 5th period book summary, and I'm going to say make that copy, and it's going to blink of course and do its regular Google thing in making a copy. And what makes this important is, again, it's saved all the rubric scores and everything that I have together, but you got to make sure you do not erase first. Do not erase when you make your copy. I always usually recommend that what somebody would need to do is make sure that they come up top here, and when they do File, Make a Copy, they always have a template, of just that class. And so I would do something like, second period, and then I would just call this one, like blank. And then I would make a copy of that would sit. The other thing that can happen too is, for some reason, if you really need to start from 100% scratch, what you can do is you can come on over and hit Clean Sweep, and if I hit Clean Sweep, it will erase everything, names, assignments, and so on. And once it blinks, you're going to see it's brand new, and that's just like instantly when you first downloaded it.